Welcome back. My name is MrSchroeter, aka Mr. Don't Sleep on the Money, and today we are going to be talking about how you don't sleep on the money when it comes to a cash advance. We're going to be telling you how to get money off of your credit card without paying a cash advance fee. Now, I will tell you this is something that is typically going to work without getting you a cash advance fee. However, there are instances where certain credit card companies will pick up on this, especially if you do this often. So if you're going to do this, make sure that you're not doing it repetitively on the same credit card and that you are using banks that are not going to report this as a cash advance. What am I talking about? I'm talking about opening up bank or credit union accounts. All right. So this is a secret method that a lot of people are not going to talk about and are not going to tell you, that's going to allow you to be able to pull money off of your credit card, put it into an account, and then take it off of a debit card. It's kind of like manufactured spending, if you're familiar with that and you've watched my video on it. If you haven't and you want to get more information on that, then make sure you go check out my video on manufactured spending. When you check out that video, it's going to give you more insight and really help you understand this process. All right. But basically, what you're going to do, you're going to go online, go to a bank wherever. And I will tell you, certain banks allow you to do this daily. Certain banks only allow you to do this when you open up your account. So, for instance, Navy Federal will allow you to do this daily up to $500. So, it's all a matter of who you bank with and who you choose. But you go to the bank and you open up an account. When they ask you how do you want to fund that account, you tell them by your card. So then you're going to give them your credit card. A lot of banks actually allow you to do this online, so you don't even have to leave your house. So you open up the account, you put in your credit card information. They're going to pull it as a normal debit transaction from your credit card. So it'll say, $500 payment made to, Navy Federal Credit Union, whatever it is. And then this money will come off of your card, go into this bank account, and then you can in turn use that money as a cash advance without incurring cash advance fees, without paying the instant interest, and without having to worry about incurring or accruing any other fees throughout the duration of this process until you pass the 30-day mark, when you would typically pay interest on any other purchase. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Please make sure that you continue to support, like these videos, comment on them, share them out with others, and we'll see you guys in the next one.